devices which are networked. Okay, the one thing is we are focusing on the computer security. That means a individual system, that may be a laptop or a mobile or a computer desktop, how to secure that informations that are stored in the system. That is one focus. The other one is the network security. So these are measures to protect the data that travels in the network. So I am sending a message to you, and my intention is only you should receive that message. Okay, and I should know the message. Nobody else in the world should know the message which is transmitted by me to you. So so there may be a chance of an attacker or intruder or a misfeaser or an unwanted, unauthorized person to attack, to know the message that is being transmitted by me. I am A means you are B means I am sending a message to you. Only A and B should know. So how do we connect? There is a network between both of us, and we connect with each other to transmit the data. So my data has to be protected. That is what network security. Okay. Then coming to the internet security, that is another thing. Everything is interconnected. Internet security protects the transmission over the network across the globe. Across the globe, all the computers are connected together. We call it as internet. The largest network in the world is internet. So how do we provide or protect the data that is being transmitted in the internet? So these are the focus areas of the meaning of the term security. Okay. Now, how to overcome that? There are mechanisms to overcome these kind of drawbacks that occur in the security. That is done by the concept called as cryptography. Okay, this is what the meaning for network security and cryptography. Okay, so you will be learning in these chapters what are the types of attacks, what is the security mechanism, what are the measures to handle the security, what are the algorithms to handle the security, protecting the data. Those kind of things you will be learning in elaborately in your chapters that are forthcoming. Then you are having, there are certain latest trends in security mechanisms like quantum cryptography, DNA cryptography, etc. So those also will be, you will be learning. This is how your subject or paper is organized. The fifth unit is comprising of the advanced technologies in cryptography. Okay, so let's begin with the first topic, that attack. Okay, now, what is security? All of you know. Now in your house, you are protecting your valuables. How do you protect? You are protecting the valuables using in a bureau, or and when you go out, you lock your house, you lock your bureau, and keep the key with you. Okay, so therefore you are protecting the valuables like money and gold, ornaments, etc. So how do we protect the data? Now we have to. There is no such mechanisms to protect the data in a network. So therefore we have to protect the data also, which is a new oil of today's century. So therefore, this must be taken care. Our data is so much secure, so much needed that it must be protected in such a manner that nobody should have the mechanism to attack our data. But it can be done. 100% security we cannot achieve in any of the methods. Okay, in your house also you cannot protect, even though you have a best lock in the world. 100% some disturbances. All of you mute your audio, and if you want, you can open the your video also. That's all. It's a virtual classroom, which is similar to a real classroom where the face should be seen. Face like that, you can show. You want to know what you're doing. Okay, so just you can come to mode and mute the audio. Okay. So security attack. What is a security attack? It is a compromise that is done on the information owned by a person or an organization. Suppose I own a data.
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
Now is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now is it okay? So all of you mute your audio and you can unmute the video. so that you can show the faces. As I'm showing my face, you can also show your faces, because it is a classroom. You should be the online class. You should be properly dressed. You should have your notebook and pen. Then you should have your mobile phone or laptop to attend the class. And these things should be there with you, and you should see that you are in a place where the internet connection is at the maximum in your house. Okay, so these things you take care and attend the class. You come to the video mode, that's not a problem, because I don't know what you're doing. You may be listening or listening, I don't know. As I am in the video mode, we can see that, we can say that you are all attending the class. And also I can ask in between. Otherwise, it is very difficult for me. Aishwarya, Chandana, Nivedya, Rahul, Vinod, Rohini. Always come to video mode. Why you are hesitating? I don't know. Say I'm recording all the
Sir.
even Saranya, Shweta,
Voice.
voice.
Breakdown, sir. Voice breakdown.
Now it is clear. You see. Now it is clear.
Sir, ಇಲ್ಲ sir. Sir, നല്ലോണം ബ്രേക്ക് ആവുന്നുണ്ട് sir.
ഇപ്പൊ നമുക്ക് ഹലോ